What's up, guys? So, take a look at the creek here. Oh man, it's changed a lot, but it does look good. It's a good level. So, we're at one of my spots in Auburn I like to fish at. It's a tiny, tiny little creek. Doesn't take me not even an hour to fish the whole thing most of the time. Oh, it's real low. That's good. But there's normally some good Tallapoosa bass in here. They're really fun to catch. They're a subspecies of a spot. So they actually might be their own species now. I'm not entirely sure on that. But yeah, maybe we can get into something here. It's real low. The creek has changed a bunch since last year. I hadn't been in a year. There's a fish already attacking. Yeah, and I see him going downstream. Just using a little spinner with, I think, 6-pound mono, maybe 4. And the water isn't 6 inches deep right there where he hit it. That was probably a largemouth out in this open water. These Tallapoosa bass, they love to get in find a little bit of cover, and man, they jump out and attack it. They are fun to catch. They fight hard. I've seen about a 2-pound largemouth in this creek before too. As y'all can see, it's a tiny creek. It's not even a foot deep in the deepest part out there. But maybe we can get into something. This is always a really good spot over here. Where it comes out from under this bridge and it creates a water. There's a fish. Yep. There's your classic. Well, let me make sure. Yep. Classic Tallapoosa bass. Long and skinny. And pretty as can be. My goodness. Look at that. That is a pretty little fish. As you can see, they got little white tips on their fin. That's really cool. They don't look much like a largemouth, that's for sure. A lot like a spot. And even more similar to a smallie, in my opinion. See if there's another one hiding in there. These things are aggressive, man. They will tear up anything that you throw in there. It's awesome to watch. Oh, I see a big fish. I see a big fish. Oh, yep, that was about a 2-pound largemouth. For some reason, the largemouth in here just are real skittish. They don't attack. I've caught one time under that bridge up there. For the most part, largemouth just don't show any aggression towards the lure. That's what that was. In a 1.5 or 2 pounds. Probably gonna be a fish underneath this right here. not good. Close. God, holy, golly, came off. Holy crap. Holy crap. Did y'all see that? Holy crap. That was one of the bigger fish I've ever seen in here. That was pushing 2 pounds. And I'm not sure that wasn't a Tallapoosa the way he, holy crap. My gosh. It wasn't even running right. I came over that log and it was just on top of the water. He freaking smoked it. My gosh, I wish I'd have caught that fish. He was pulling drag. I was worried he was gonna break my line for a second. How flimsy this is. My goodness. Well, that'll get your adrenaline going. At least got mine going. I don't know about y'all. Goodness gracious. Man, I wish I'd have caught that fish. Man. Maybe we'll find another one. So yeah, this creek is in the middle of urban Auburn. Runs through, there's a subdivision just right up the hill right there. I'm not in the middle of the woods by any means. Probably not the cleanest creek, if I'm being honest, but it has fish. And this is just the kind of stuff I like to do. I love fishing in small creeks, as y'all can probably tell from the last couple of videos. But this has all of them beat as far as size. Definitely the smallest creek that I've ever caught fish in. Yeah, this whole run used to be several foot deep, at least 2 foot deep all the way up this, and now it's about 4 inches deep. Do not make for good fishing, but some new holes have opened up too. Normally there's several good holes up here, so that's what I'm going to try to go hit. Hit those and ease on home. There's a fish. Look at that. Look how dark that fish is. Oh, I don't want him to get off. That looks like a smallmouth. I mean, looks every bit like a smallmouth. Look at that fish. Just like a smallmouth. That is gorgeous. That is a beautiful, beautiful fish. I gotta get a picture of my phone of that. Classic Redeye. Most of the fish we've caught today have been real small, which I'm not complaining. It's not like I'm catching huge fish, but normally I can catch one about a pounder. So, man, that was a beautiful fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we called an audible, a big one. This creek crosses, again, a different highway about half mile away, and I've never been there before, and so that's where we decided to come. We're gonna see what this looks like. I've never been. There's a raccoon. How about that? Raccoon just went up the bank over there. But yeah, I've never been. This is a spot I've never been to before. So we're gonna see what we're working with. See if we can get into something else. Decide whether it'd be worth to come back to one day or check this one off the bucket list. Well, the detour was a bust, but nonetheless, it was a good trip. Wish we would have done a little bit more at my honey hole, but still, I'll take 2 fish in an hour of fishing for this kind of fishing, and should have had a nice fish. Yes, I have dreams about that one. But anyways, goodness. I need to get that checked out. Like I was saying, hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see more of this, or give suggestions of other things y'all might want to see, and I'll try the best of my ability to make it happen. And that'll about do it. See y'all next time.